So first things first, so what we need to start with is to ensure that we have installed Python on our machines. So usually for those who are using Linux, most of the distributions will come with Python already installed, and the other dependencies that we'll be working with. So for instance, you can check if you already have Python installed, and the way to do that is by running this command. So you can check Python Python 3 version. We see I already have Python. Let me also confirm if PIP is installed, PIP version. I also have it with me. Then let me confirm that the virtual environment is also installed. Then I have it. If you don't have any of this, you can install Python by visiting the official page for Python, and hovering over the download section, you can then clicking on this. So this will automatically download the installation file for your specific operating system. Then Python, usually once you install Python, it will automatically install PIP and virtual environment. However, if that does not happen, you also need to install PIP from this website. So just visit this website and follow the guide here. So for those in Linux, you can just follow the instruction given here. For those on Mac OS, follow the instruction given here. Then for those on Windows, follow the instruction given here. So to confirm that these dependencies are already installed, you need to run these commands. So for pip, for Python, and for virtual env. Then for virtual environment, we have a guide here on how to have it installed and how to set it up. All right, so having installed the three of them, we also need to confirm that we have a code editor. For us to be able to write codes, we need a platform. We need an application to write our code and also enable us to learn our code. So for the purpose of this tutorials, we are going to be using Visual Studio Code Editor. So out there we have a number of code editors that you can use, but this is my favorite. So just use whichever code editor that you are comfortable with, and the results will be the same. So once you visit this page, you are given the download links depending on the operating system that you are working on. So just download and install. Usually when installing, there is an option that will be requiring you to add the installation to path, so ensure to check that option. Once we have installed the necessary application and dependencies, then we can now dive in and start writing some codes.